It's a well-balanced program. They have fun at the same time of learning techniques to protect yourself in this day and time, and feel confident. I got a joy out of seeing them come here. They were excited about it.
Self-discipline, confidence, self-defense, and to have respect for others.
Instructors are amazing. They're great with the children. They treat them like family.
Both more discipline in school, making sure that he's focused, and he's on with his work, and his teaching to his teacher.
Discipline and the self-esteem that they acquired while they were learning the techniques and able to perform them.